Are you prepared for what's coming? Do you know what's coming? Do you see it in the news? Have you read it in the papers? Have your friends been talking about it? Well, whether you like it or not, something is coming and we don't know what it is. Hi guys, how are you today? This is Risa and I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. Well, this video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos because I usually do like food, some sort of food, cooking something or talking about some sort of food. But today it's the same, well, it's food. It's food that I'm going to be talking about. So, guys, have you noticed anything different in the stores or on the news or anything? Well, I have noticed some different things happening. I'll go to the store and things, the shelves, there's stuff on the shelves, but they're not as much. They're spread out like they're fluffing the shelves a little bit. Um, Things that I normally purchase, I can't find anymore. I will see something similar or a different brand of the item, but I can't find the brand that I normally purchase. And, these are the little things that have me wondering. Well, prices have gone up for sure. I went to the store a couple of days ago and I was so surprised to see the price of some things. I'm like, oh, if this is the beginning of winter and this is the price now, can you imagine in the middle of winter what's going to happen? I think we are heading into a dark winter. It's just, I've had this feeling for quite some time that we're heading into a dark winter just by things that I've been reading and things that I've been seeing. And I live in Canada. I live in Ontario, and it is quite visible in the stores. Things are not the same that they normally do. And I know there's a supply chain demand thing happening and all of that. And that's going to contribute to what is to come. And when you see countries like China are advising their citizens to prepare themselves because this winter could be brutal, I'm wondering what is our prime minister saying to us? Is everything fine and dandy? Do they have like a stockpile, a warehouse of things put away for residents here? Because I don't hear anything. And I know we get a lot of stuff from China. And if China is preparing their residents for, as I should say, lack of food, what is Canada doing with us here? Are they going to wait until wintertime when things are bad before they start telling us things? I mean, the world is changing. There's civil unrest all over. You have Russia shooting down satellites. You have China getting ready with their nuclear weapons. What's happening in Belarus? I mean, there is just so much going on. And, everybody is speaking in a war tone. That's the tone that they're all talking now. It's the war tone, as if you ruffle my feathers and things could get started. That is what I am seeing. And so we need to be aware of these things. We need to prepare ourselves. Are you preparing yourselves? Are you getting your food supply ready? Are you getting your medical supply ready? It's going to be winter. Are you getting items that you could suffice in the winter month just in case we don't have electricity? Are you able to survive? Are you able to cook? These are the things that we need to think about. And it's better to be prepared and nothing happen than not prepare and something happens. So this is something you should have been doing already, because all the signs have been there for us to see. And this is a time that we need to take a stock of what we have, take a stock of what we need, take a stock of your family members. Some of us may have older parents and grandparents. We need to make sure that they are okay also. It's not about you, but it's about the older folks that may not be able to get things for themselves and get themselves prepared. We have to make sure that they're okay also. So this is a time that we really need to take stock of what's going on and prepare ourselves. Get out there, get what you can, because I'm telling you, there is not a lot out there. It may look like a lot, but the stores are getting less than what they normally get for their weekly supply, weekly inventory. They may be getting half of what they used to get, just enough to keep a supply, because there's a supply chain shortage. We know that. We have been hearing that for months, and it's not getting any better. It's actually getting worse. They just don't have the manpower. They don't. And truckers, on the other hand, they are having issues. So if there's no food, there's no delivery people, there is not, what are we going to do? It's winter time. Those who have a little plot of land or a little postage stamp of land, we can't plant anything out in the winter. So you've got to get your supplies in, and get your supplies in now. Winter is almost here, and it's just getting worse and worse each week. As you go in the stores, you will see less and less product on the shelf. I heard someone talking today about getting supplies, and they were talking about getting disposable toilet paper. I mean, I don't know about that disposable toilet paper thing. I really don't know. But if push come to shove, would you rather use your hand and wipe your behind, or you use that disposable toilet paper? You know, I think it's going to be a rough, dark winter. That's what I think. And I think we need to prepare ourselves. Just get ourselves ready just in case for the worst. We don't know how long this is going to last, but at least get your supplies together before it's too late. So my friends, thank you so much. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a message. Leave me a comment. Let me know have you seen any difference in the stores around you? Do you see supplies are dwindling? How is the fruits and vegetable in your stores? Because mine are sky high. The only thing that's really reasonable now are apples. That is it. Everything else is sky high. So let me know. How is it in your part of the woods? And are you getting prepared? Or you just think, it's just news, and that too will pass. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, let me know, and I'll make some more videos about what's going on and prepping and getting yourself organized for this winter. So you take care, my friends, and you be good to yourself. Be good to someone else too. Bye-bye.